Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, STA Woodworks. So today on the channel, what we're going to do is we're going to be making a CNC project. Our pastor at our church, he's retiring, and we're making him a little, basically a going away present, retirement present. But it's going to be an old-timey looking book made on the CNC. It's going to have some carving in it, a Bible verse, his name, and everything. So y'all hang with us, and we'll show you what we got. As you can see, we've made it look like an old-timey book, and that was not originally the plan, but that's how it worked out, and I don't think it could have come out any better. So what we did, after it come off the CNC, we put Oramask on it. Well, we had Oramask on it before we carved the words, but anyways, we had put Oramask on it. So we took some black latex paint and we painted in the letters. We let that dry overnight, and then this morning when I got up, I started taking the Oramask off, and that was stuck on there. And we got the Oramask taken off, got it sanded, and my original intention was to stain it after that, but I wasn't feeling it. It just wasn't where we wanted it at, and so my wife come up with the good idea of let's spray paint it white and see what it looks like. So I was hesitant at first, but after she started spray painting it, I was like, this is the correct decision. This looks good. So we spray painted the whole thing white, and then after we let that completely dry, well, actually before we let it dry, we have like this little pick thing that we use to pick the Oramask off. She went through and she scraped out the excess white paint. There were some of the letters that wasn't carved the deepest, and the white paint kind of filled them in just a little bit. She went through and picked all that out so you could see the letters a lot better. And then we let it completely dry. And then she had the idea of painting right here this kind of border to make it look more like a book, which we painted that, and it was just too black. It just didn't work. And then she come up with the idea to sand it down and kind of give more like this rustic look, which makes it just look excellent, I think. And then after that, we went over it with polyurethane, spray polyurethane. As you can see, I don't know if it's going to pick up in the camera very well, but it's a shining. So now Original intention was to hang it on the wall, but I think what we're going to do, we got a plate holder, book holder, desktop easel, whatever you want to call it. We got one of those that we're going to display it on, and this just come out way better than I ever imagined it could. I think our pastor's really going to like it, and it just pops. This color, this makes it look like old-timey, and like I say, not the original way that I intended on doing it, but I personally believe that if I was able to stain this, that it would not have turned out as good as what this looks. You got the kind of the whitewash, old-timey type feel here. So it turned out really, really good. So I'm very, very pleased with it. So guys, I appreciate you watching this, and be sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll have more stuff like this on our channel coming soon. Thanks guys. See you on the next one.